नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JVN Dr.Anamika Ahirwar, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the topic white box testing. In the previous session, I have discussed about black box testing. Uh, White box testing is also known as clear box testing, open box testing, okay, and glass box testing, transparent box testing, code based testing, or structural testing. Okay, so this white box testing is a software testing method in which the internal structure, design, implementation of the items being treated is known to be the tester. The tester chooses what? Input to exercise path through the code and that determines the appropriate objects. So in black box testing what we did, यूज़र ने क्या देखा, इनपुट जो था उसका आउटपुट क्या आना चाहिए, वो ठीक आया है या नहीं आया. वाइट बॉक्स में क्या करेंगे वो तो देखना ही है, बट उसके इंटरनल, what I am saying here is internal structure, design, implementation of the item, जो कि टेस्ट में टेस्टर के द्वारा उसको वो करेगा. ठीक है, चेक की सही है या नहीं है. ओके, अगर डेफिनेशन के बारे में बात करें एज पर IST की व्यू, तो वाइट बॉक्स टेस्टिंग क्या है? टेस्टिंग बेस्ड ऑन एन एनालिसिस ऑफ द इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द कंपोनेंट और सिस्टम. अगर हम वाइट बॉक्स डिज़ाइन टेक्निक की बात करें तो दिस इज़ अ प्रोसीजर टू ड्राइव और select test cases based on an analysis of the internal structure of a component or system. Now let's see an example. A tester, usually a developer as well, studies the implementation code of a certain field on a web page, determines all legal and illegal input and verifies the output against the expected outcomes, which is also determined by studying the implementation code. So in this, white box testing is like the work of mechanic who examines the engine to see why the car is not moving. Okay, जैसे मैकेनिक होता है वो इंटरनली चीज़ देखता है कि क्यों आखिरकार ये काम नहीं कर रही है. ठीक है, तो इंटरनल तभी ऊपर से उसको नहीं दिखेगा, ऊपर से तो ये पता चल रहा है ये चीज़ चल नहीं रही, बट क्यों नहीं चल रही है ये इंटरनली जाके देखना पड़ेगा. नाउ द लेवल्स एप्लीकेबल टू द वाइट बॉक्स टेस्टिंग method is applicable to the following levels of software testing. Unit testing for testing path within a unit, integration testing for testing path between units, and if we are talking about system testing, for testing path between subsystems. However, it is mainly applied to unit testing. Now, what are the advantages? Advantages are the testing can be commenced at an earlier stage. One need not wait for the GUI to be available. Testing is more through with the possibility of covering most paths. Okay, now what are the disadvantages? Disadvantages are like, since test can be very complex, highly skilled resources are required with thorough knowledge of programming and implementation. Okay, सो दैट कि हम इंटरनली उसको चेक कर सकते हैं. अगर हमें सबकी नॉलेज नहीं होगी तो इतनी डेप्थ में हम जाकर उसको टेस्ट नहीं कर सकते. तो टेस्ट स्क्रिप्ट मेंटेन्स कैन बी burden if the implementation changes too frequently. So since this method of testing is closely tied to the application being tested, tools to cater to every kind of implementation platform may not be readily available. Okay, so these are the disadvantages and advantages of white box testing. So this is all about white box testing. This session powered by digital version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it.